Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Prachi Rathore Gumashta. I am a postgraduate student in the Department of Ophthalmology in Tirthankar Mahavir University, Muradabad. Currently, I am working as a frontline healthcare worker in this pandemic in our hospital, and I would like to share some of my experience regarding the same. As we know, as you all know, that we need to follow no touch technique during this time, as it is getting spread through the touching and droplet infection. It is tough for us while staying in the hospital and following the same. Even after wearing PPE kits, we need to follow the no touch technique. We need to wear gloves and change gloves after touching patient's file, and we are not even allowed to touch our face. We are not allowed to go to the washroom and drink water for 6 hours straight, as the kit will get waste, and we are already running short on the kits in India. So we are working in shifts, 6 hours of shift, and the shifts are not easy itself. Sometimes someday you'll have night shift, someday there is evening, and some days there is morning. So you only get some 6 hours of time in between the shifts, and after coming from the hospital, you're not allowed to just lie on your bed and go to sleep. First, you know to need to go to the washroom, wash your clothes, bath yourself, and then only you're allowed to eat something and drink water and lie on your bed and relax and grab some sleep. So this is not tough for every doctor and every frontline healthcare worker working and serving the nation. What really kept me going in this tough time is positive vibes from the God, and some blessings from the unknown souls who are praying for us, and praying for everyone who's serving the nation. And it is a very important part of the process that we believe in God and stay positive, and be fit mentally and physically both. And all these efforts, when after putting all these efforts, when we see our patients going home, and going to their loved ones getting cured, and the happiness which we see on their faces is something inexpressible. And I would really like to request to all of you to stay home, follow all the sanitizing techniques that government has told you to follow, and to stay positive and stay healthy both mentally and physically. And I would really like to request you to focus on attaining power to face this situation. And I will really felt the difference that after believing in these positive vibes, has these vibes has really built up my confidence and make me believe that putting some efforts and believing in the God, with time we will be able to fight with the coronavirus, and we will win this battle. Thank you so much.